Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Obviously it's been a long time since my previous video, but things has been busy and now I'm back to deliver you some news. I'm Wolf and let's get into it. So we start off with an article from Video Cards. AlphaCruise announces a new water block for the RTX 3090/3080. As you can see, it's not for the Founders Edition cards because of the unique PCB design that it has. You can assume that it's for the aftermarket cards. Like here it says MSI Gaming X Trio series graphics cards. Here you can see how it looks and enjoy fantasizing about how it would look on your new RTX 3080 or 3090 if you got one when they were going on sale. But depending on which AIB partner model you got, you may be in for some bad news because you won't be able to enjoy the boost clocks that you would enjoy with water cooling if you got one of the models that were reported to be having problems with crashing and kicking to the desktop. Yes, an article that was originally reported by Igor's Lab. I'm reading the one on videocards.com. There's a problem with the capacitor some AIB partners have chosen to use on their cards. It's causing frequency crosstalk when the card reaches above 2 GHz and causing crashes, kicking the game or whatever 3D or hardware accelerated applications right to the desktop once it touched that 2 GHz mark. So here's some pictures courtesy of Igor's Lab showing the design right here, how the lower spec cards from the AIB models would normally use right over here on your right hand side, no, left hand side, directions. In the middle you see a extremely cheap layout, and on the right hand side you see the layout that Nvidia is using on their Founders Edition cards. So this will be the more ideal layout to not experience any instability or issues. This you're basically guaranteed to receive some form of problem. With this you can maybe get away with this if it's not boosting past 2 GHz, but because this is just the research done by Igor's Lab, which is very reputable. He said it might be the cause. This is the only thing that he could find that could correlate with the cause of this problem. Now on to next news. TSMC begins construction of the 2nm manufacturing facility. Now this is exciting because we get to get more of what we love, performing at higher performance. TSMC, the leading semiconductor foundry in the world, has reportedly begun construction on its 2nm manufacturing facility. According to the Times report, translated by I'm not gonna pronounce that. You can see it right here. I'll even highlight it for you. Yes, that person. Yeah, so TSMC was leading manufacturer in silicon components for your CPUs from your AMD, and some components from Nvidia. That was before they switched over to Samsung 8nm and the AMD graphics cards. So they manufacture a lot of stuff you use in your gaming system or your just your regular laptop to compute with. So I'm not sure when new silicon will be rolling out of these factories, because as it's reported, it's just begun construction. All we can do is look forward to the future of high performance components for our PCs. Now, final story for the day is a bit of a weird one. When coffee machines go berserk. Yes. So, sorry about that. The coffee machine in this story is an Internet of Things device. Yes, that buzzword that some persons like and most persons don't like, because they know the security implications that come with it. This individual hacked his smarter coffee maker and got it to behave badly. It was not taking commands from the buttons right here, and it was beeping, grinding, and spewing hot water, which can be very dangerous if your hand is caught in that hot water. As you can see, it instantly dries in the video. Oh yeah, I'll post links in the description of this article, of this video, for you guys to check it out yourself. It goes into far more detail than I will be going, so you can check it out. But you can see that Internet of Things devices are a potential security risk. So, little bit from the article. It said when Ron Figure first plugged in his smarter coffee maker, he discovered that it immediately acted as a Wi-Fi access point that used an unsecure connection to communicate with a smartphone app. The app in turn is used to configure the device, and should the user choose, connect it to a home Wi-Fi. So if it is connected to an home Wi-Fi while its wireless access point is unprotected, that could use open a gateway for someone with malicious intent to access the coffee maker, then access your home network and every single device that is on it. I don't have to tell you that it's bad news. So guys, that will be it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in, and if you see like videos are not being updated or uploaded as frequent as some others, just know it's not my intention. I would love to upload as much as I can, but some stuff just keep getting in the way. This has been Wolf. Thanks for chilling with me.